Annapolis inventory has been reduced further, down to only 80 properties for sale in all zip codes for the area. Weather does impact our real estate market to a degree. If we have a lot of snowy weather, fewer buyers get out to see property listed for sale and fewer sellers will launch. It's Friday, January 14th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. So, if you are a seller listed for sale right now, you can increase the odds of getting a buyer through your home by making sure that you clear the snow quickly, treat areas to reduce ice and slip risk during showings. Your agent should also be proactive by making sure that the market knows that your property is safe to show, ready and available now. This is essential. New listings in December were down 24.6% from the month prior and 7.5% off from 2020. Closed sales were off by 5.1% from November and 2.6% down from last December. Also notable is that the median sold price fell from $520,000 to $500,500 in December, a 3.8% change month to month. However, overall sold prices are up 5.9% from last December 2020. The highest price home to sell this year was in the Vineyards at Englehart for $950,000. The rental market proves challenging for those seeking to move. Presently, there are only 10 rentals available for lease in all zip codes of Annapolis at the average price point of $3,095 per month. Rentals are also going under application quickly, under 15 days. Are you thinking about making a move this year? Get our newest 2022 homebuyer or home selling guide at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on guides in the navigation bar. That's this week's snapshot for the Annapolis Real Estate Report of January 14th, 2022. Thank you for tuning in. Stay warm out there and be safe. Take care.